fun-filled
Recording
DIY
in
science
progress.
project. Everyone of us know the importance of science. Science generates the solutions for everyday life and help us to answer the greatest mysteries of the universe. It has a specific role as well as a variety of functions for the benefit of our society, creating a new knowledge, improve education, and increasing the quality of our life. In this segment, you will see 4 different science DIY mini project video that using Pascal Principle techniques by our first semester students, namely as hydraulic bridge, hydraulic power press, hydraulic power grab, and also hydraulic sanitizer. Happy watching.
Hello, my name is Wanisha Safia binti Wan Muhammad Azim, and I'm from Politeknik. Before everything starts, disclaimers on leakage of language and information adaptation from other resources. So, hello.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Wanisha Safia binti Wan Muhammad Azim and I'm from Politeknik Premier Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah. Hydraulic bridge is a bridge that moves up to open and down to close to allow passage for boats and other barges. Hydraulic bridge is powered by hydraulic piston, and it incorporates hydraulic system, which is basically from Pascal's Principle. So, what is actually Pascal? A Pascal is the pressure of 1 Newton per square meter. And that leads to a formula of P equals to FA, which is force over area. In cases, we commonly use kilopascal instead of Pascal. For example, we use our own force to squeeze a certain area of the toothpaste, and technically, it puts pressure at the area that we squeezed. By that, it forces the toothpaste to come out. Pascal's principle teaches us that force in over area in equals to force out over area out. This is an example of a hydraulic piston which uses a small force to push a bigger weight. Let's take a look on how it works. Let's say the force is 100 Newton and the area of the small tube is 1 meter square, and the bigger tube is 200 newtons with an area of 2 meters square. With the help of Pascal's principle, even though the smaller tube only uses the force of 100 Newton, it is still capable to push a bigger weight, which is 200 Newtons. Now, let's take a look on how the hydraulic bridge model works. We can observe that when the first syringe is pushed, the second syringe at the bridge model synchronizes to push and suction the same amount of water. This is because of Pascal's principle. Even though I used a small amount of force, the other syringe is still capable to push the other syringe up and down because of the pressure it produces. Next, the fun part. We can observe that when I push the syringe down, it opens up the bridge. Perfect. And when I pull the syringe upwards, we can observe that it closes the bridge perfectly. Nicely done! The objective of this mini project is to build a model which symbolizes the real hydraulic bridge that uses Pascal's law. Continuing for materials and cost. We used recycled wooden ice cream sticks for the body, 10 ml syringes for the pistons, hot glue gun. The only thing that we bought for this project was a 1 meter plastic tube, which only cost 1 ringgit. Next up, impact and benefit. This project is capable of controlling the hydraulic bridge by using hydraulic pistons. And what shines up this bridge is because it's related to Pascal's law. Also, it is a tremendous way in giving basic picture of how hydraulic system works. It is also an effective tool to use in teaching and learning. Lastly, it can be a project model building. That's all from me. Always remember to cover up when we cough and sneeze. Keep our distance and always wear our mask. We always have to remember how hard our frontliners work just to flatten the curve. Stay safe, stay home, kita jaga kita.
Today we are here to present about our project, which is a hydraulic power press project. Hydraulic power press is a machine press to generate a compressible force. It was the hydraulic equivalent of a mechanical lever. The applied force through the lever can press in one point to the end. This hydraulic power press is a model using the Pascal Principle. By building this project, we have listed two related objectives, namely, build mini hydraulic power press, which is capable to compress or press a material, and demonstrate Pascal Principle in order to implement the project. Total cost to build a complete project is 36 ringgit 50 cents. There is a lot of material contained in building this complete project, such as hot glue gun, screw, one-way wave, wide tube connector, 5 meter silicone tube, 50 ml shrink, and 20 ml shrink. We also use recycled material to build this project. For example, wood that plays an important role in this project, which is to compress an object. During the course of this project, the energy exchange from potential energy to kinetic energy. There also have some impact by building this hydraulic power press project. It is a multi-purpose power press, as it can be used for performing different tasks. For example, this kind of machine are commonly used to compress iron or hand material for recycling. Hydraulic power press is commonly used for forging, clinching, mounting, blanking, punching, deep drawing, compressing, and metal forming operation. There are also some steps that need to be followed to use this hydraulic power press to avoid from any kind of accident. The first step is to make sure the 20 ml shrink is already channeled to the water source. Then pull and press the shrink so that water can be pumped and channeled from a 20 ml shrink to the 4 shrink, which is 50 ml, until the 4 shrink go down to the desired level. Finally, place an object to launch the Pascal Principle on the object that is compressive the object. That's all from us. Thank you.
Okay, boleh start. Sah. Wow, 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 wow.
Power hydraulic graph is our project name, which is this prototype will be worked by using hydraulic through the machine auxiliary hydraulic circuit, which then power the claws to open, close, and clamping around the object, allowing it to safely grip the object to be moved. For your information, our project based on Pascal Principle hydraulic. By creating this mini hydraulic power graph, everyone will know how important the hydraulic system is in facilitating human daily affairs. Because many people do not know that actually many mega machines are used in the field of civil engineering is using the hydraulic concept. This hydraulic concept have give a lot of positive impact on the development of the country.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay.
Gue tak rasa.
Pascal in a advantages can save time and can save manpower. Potential can lift heavy object easily. Recommendation: the construction world needs to use more machines that use hydraulic systems to facilitate work.
Wow, 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 wow. Wih, masuk. Uish. Lepas dulu. Ni tak masuk betul ni.
Kena bangla dia, kena palang apa?
We are here to represent our mini project entitled Food Operated Hand Sanitizer Dispenser.
The project description of the food-operated hand sanitizer. It is a low-cost and easy-to-make simple DIY machine. As a main precaution, we have to sanitize our hand regularly. While using sanitizer, we have to touch the sanitizer bottle. This is very dangerous as we don't know the level of cleanliness of the sanitizer bottle. So, to dispense the sanitizer without touching with bare hands, we have made one simple machine which can dispense the sanitizer using our food. The purpose of this food-operated hand sanitizer. The purpose of this invention is to control the spread of coronavirus from an infected person to others while using the same sanitizer bottle. With this device, the sanitizer could be used without touching the bottle with bare hands. By pressing the lower syringe with the foot, the bottle will dispense the sanitizer.
Continuing for material and cost, we use shoe box, plastic bottle, cellophane tape, masking tape, and hand sanitizer. Other few stuff that we need to buy to complete our project is 220 ml syringe, tube for the piston, and double side tape. Total cost all of this stuff is only RM7.40.
Pascal's Principle. Pascal's Principle states that the pressure applied to a confined liquid can be transmitted uniformly in all directions. Pascal's Principle is applied in a basic hydraulic system. The magnitude of the force generated in the basic hydraulic system depends on two things. The first thing is the surface area of the syringe used. The second thing is the force applied to the syringe.
Operation of hydraulic sanitizer. First step is down the lower syringe at the foot pressing area. The force acting on the surface area of syringe produces a pressure. The pressure transmits uniformly to the upper syringe. The pressure acting on the upper syringe produces a force. The force pushes the cork of hand sanitizer.
Before we end this video, let's take a look on how we made this project. So that's all from us. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching all the videos of Pascal Principle. From the video just now, we can conclude that the importance of Pascal Principles in our daily life. As you can see from all the videos, the DIY projects are using a shrink as an equipment and fluid in this case a colored water, as a media to transfer from point A to point B. How is Pascal Principles used in everyday lives? For example, hydraulic jack, automobile, brakes, and even lift generate on the airplane wings can be explained using the Pascal Principle. Pascal Principle based on the idea that fluid at rest are incompressible, allowing very large force to be transmitted with the application of a smaller force. Then next we will see another two related videos of energy conservation principle, namely harmonic water wheels and mini electrical brooms. Happy watching!
As we know, water wheel is the one of the agriculture tools used by the ancient people in agriculture activities such as in rice field. However, this method is not longer used due to the creation of more new technologies nowadays. But in Malaysia, there is a water wheel that still remains until now situated in Malacca, which is called Malacca Sultanate water wheel. It is the largest and first created in Malaysia with diameter of 13.2 meters. Project description. This project is to create a model of water wheel that can produce kinetic energy originate from the water energy that causes the wheel spin when exposed to the water without using any electrical energy. This model applies the principle of conservation of energy, which states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but can change from one form of energy to another form.
The objective of this project is to create a simple model which apply the principle of conservation of energy to produce model using recycled items to create green environment.
Thank you for watching these 2 videos. Hope you enjoy the videos. As well as we know, in the basic science, thank you for watching these 2 videos. Hope you enjoy the videos. As well as we know, in the basic science, energy can either be created or it can be destroyed. It can only be converted from one form to another. What is energy conservation? Energy conservation is the decision and practice of using less energy. Tuning off the lights when you leave the rooms. Unplug the appliance when they are not in use. And walking instead of driving are all the examples of energy conservation. In this practice, the reducing the quantity of energy used, it may be attained through the efficiency of energy use. In this case, energy use is decreased, at the same time getting the same outcome as a result, or by reduced consumptions of energy service. It is one of the easiest process to help the globes by means of population, in addition to make the use of natural energy. That is what we have seen in the 2 videos just now. That's all for today. The science of today is the technology tomorrow. Till we meet again, stay safe and take care everyone. Bye.
Okey, macam mana dengan aktiviti eksperimen sains tadi? Menarik tak?
Menarik.
Adik-adik suka tak tengok macam mana dia buat? Dia gunakan bahan-bahan terbuang, dia gunakan batang aiskrim, dia gunakan cardboard, dia gunakan straw dan sebagainya untuk buat eksperimen sains tu. Kita pun boleh buat sendiri. Boleh tolong mak-mak kita, ayah-ayah kita kat rumah bersihkan rumah tau. Kalau adik-adik tengok video yang dia buat penyapu tadi tu. Menarik sangat kan? Okay. So adik-adik jangan jemu untuk bereksperimen dan jangan jemu dengan sains sebab sains ini sangatlah menyeronokkan. Okay. Dengan berakhirnya video yang anda saksikan tadi, yang anda dah tengok tadi tu, maka berakhirlah program kita untuk slot kali ini. Jadi itu sahaja. Saya nak mohon supaya para penonton kita yang berada di sini, terutama sekali yang daripada Politeknik Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah, untuk kekal sebentar, dan yang lain kita boleh bersurai. Till we meet again. Terima kasih. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, cikgu. Okey, sebelum tu kita akan berikan satu link. Sebelum tu kita akan berikan satu link untuk borang maklum balas. Diharap saudara-saudari, tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, adik-adik boleh isi borang tu supaya kita boleh tambah baik lagi program kita pada masa akan datang. Terima kasih juga diucapkan kepada Dr. Ahmad Aftas dan Puan Zahira atas perkongsian mengenai DIY projek tadi. Semoga perkongsian ini dapat dimanfaatkan kepada kita semua. Untuk makluman semua, slot seterusnya ialah Sains Show. Boleh saksikan di YouTube Pusat Sains Negara Official. Kemudian pada pukul 2:30 petang kita ada virtual STEM workshop iaitu Weather Around Us. Jangan lupa untuk bersama kita. Jumpa anda di sana. Terima kasih.
Dengan minggu baru balas. Sebelum tu boleh isi yang mana-mana 5 sekali lagi.
Bye.
5 sekali lagi.
Jangan lupa ya isi borang maklum balas tu.
Assalamualaikum.